Hello, welcome back to another YouTube video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to add effects in PowerDirector Mobile. And all you really have to do is make a project. So like I'm just going to type in random letters and whatever aspect ratio you want. I almost always use 16 by 19, and I'm just adding this old video from my old channel. Just a couple of seconds with random things on it, and as you can see, I always add because why not? At the end of all my videos, except for the newest one, I forgot to do that. But now, what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to touch on the thing, whatever you want to edit, like the video, the overlay, and you press the pencil button. It takes you to this. And you go to where it says FX, or under it says effect, but it's really just two letters FX for the icon. So you click on that. As you can see, it's right there. So you have all of these glitches of sorts. You have this one where it could seem like half of it is underwater and half of it is over, or you're looking at like the top. And it adds this kind of like water effect. Let me show you on this one. Here. See, like there, it only shows half. Right there. All like the cookies, you see them all messed up at the bottom. Right? All the chocolate chips. And then you could get other ones. Like this one, right? These are all like the default ones. All these that say new on them or other things, but if you click on these, you're gonna need premium. Like I have premium because I don't know, I just decided to. And you could do things like this, which is basically like inverting the colors, and now it looks all different. See, you could add other effects too. Like you could make it seem like it's on like a bunch of different TVs, like on a TV wall. Like if you haven't seen that from like movies where for some reason they have so many TVs showing the news. And there are a lot of different effects you could use. You can make it look weird like that. See, you can see the shoes, how they're like shooting out. These are like shoot out randomly. I want to see what happens with the cookies. There's like look what happens for the cookies. So like the background color shoots out and it covers like all the chocolate chips. And you could add this one, which kind of like makes it weird. You could like see the shoes sometimes. See, you could add this one that makes it look like everything's like curving in weirdly. I think there's another way to do this. Oh wait, no, yeah, this is the only way. Wait, like that looks cool. Look at the chocolate chip. You have to admit that looks pretty cool. You could make it like this, where it looks like it's like in stone or something, like it's carved in stone. Well, you could add all sorts of things, and if you have premium, you could add like these cool effects that like see it like shakes every once in a while. And if you edit it, you could change it to like, you could put everything at 100%. Oh my god, what did I just do? I just messed it up. But if you put everything at 100%, then it looks a lot cooler. Frequency, glitch range, and there. So now we could play the video. This is the noises I added in the background. But as you can see, it kind of like adds like a little lines through it, right? So you got all of these, and they are really cool effects. I really like the glitch pack. This one, I think, is like one of the best. Let me just hire everything up. If I'm not mistaken, this is, yeah, see, this is like what you would think of as a glitch effect. It's just like like the colors like kind of like spreading out every once in a while, and like the thing shaking. I use it for my intro. If you haven't noticed yet. So, but this is really cool, and I really hope all of you like my video, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.